What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, is our 17th day of our Make Money Online challenge. We are going to try to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So today is the 17th day, and if you have been watching the channel, you're going to see that I've been posting a video every single day updating you guys on what has been going on inside the account. So today, guys, I'm also going to make a quick video showing you guys what has been going on inside the account and also some stats from other social media accounts that I've been using to promote these affiliate offers right here. So as I've already shown you guys in the other videos, we're promoting this affiliate offer right here using Pinterest accounts. I've shown you guys multiple Pinterest accounts that we have right now. They are posting content and trying to promote our affiliate offer, and we also have two Instagram accounts that we're using to promote this affiliate offer starting from scratch, and also we have one TikTok account that we're using to go and promote our affiliate offers right here. So we're gonna get some targeted free traffic and make money hopefully in the 30 days challenge without having to spend any money on traffic. And I'm making this challenge so that if you are starting from scratch and you don't have any money, you can know that it's possible. You can go and create social media accounts and start posting content every single day, and you can grow a large following and you can start making money using 100% free traffic and without having to spend any money. That's why I'm showing you guys realistically what you can go and expect to go and get started and make money with free traffic on promoting, for example, affiliate offers on Clickbank, CPA offers, etc. The main thing for you to do and make money is by getting traffic, and to go and get that traffic for free, the best way is to go and create social media accounts like on Pinterest, Instagram, and on TikTok, and start posting content consistently. That's what I'm showing you guys on this journey, how I'm starting from scratch and I'm also posting consistently and without having to do any payment or for example any ads. I'm just using this 100% free starting from scratch. It's going to take a long time when you're starting from scratch, but once you have already made money or once you have already grown your social media account, then you can go and easily make money consistently. You can go and make few sales a day or few sales every week, but you're going to be making money every single month once you have grown your social media account to get targeted traffic. Once you have an audience and promote your offer, for example, you have a weight loss audience and promote your affiliate offer, you're always going to make money by the end of the day using 100% free traffic. Then you can go and take this money and reinvest it back on paid traffic. So for the example that I show you guys in this challenge, we are promoting this offer right here, Mitolin, and as you can see from here, many people are promoting this offer and it's selling very well, and it's a weight loss offer. So weight loss offers are very popular. That's why we choose to promote this particular offer from here, because if you're going to make any money, it's one of the best offers that you can go and promote and make money right here. So hopefully we're going to make money in this 30 days challenge, and today is the 16th day, is the 17th day, and we're going to hopefully make our first money. The 17th day, we're going to hopefully make our first money by the end of this challenge right here. So what I'm going to do from here, I'm just going to go to the analytics. Let's go back to our Clickbank accounts and let me show you guys what has been happening to the accounts. And you're not going to expect a lot because we're starting from scratch. I'm showing you guys realistically what you can go and expect when you're starting from scratch, so that you're not going to get discouraged on the way when you're going to be trying to make money on Clickbank from free traffic. So I made my first money as well on Clickbank using 100% free traffic without having to spend any money on anything. So that's why I'm showing you guys on this journey, so they can go and know what to expect, and so that you're not going to give up when you are starting this journey, because you're not just going to start today and make money tomorrow. So all you have to do is put in the work. If you're starting from scratch and you don't have any money, put in the work and create the social media accounts and post content and grow an audience. Then you're going to start making money using 100% free traffic. So the main goal about this challenge is that is for you not to get discouraged when you're starting from scratch or when you don't have any money, because it's actually very possible. I've done it myself using 100% free traffic. I without having to spend any money, and that's why I'm creating this challenge right here. So the first thing for me is we're going to go to the dashboard from here and let's see if we got any results right here. So you can see from here our dashboard right now is still empty, so you don't have to be discouraged because this happens all the time, and that's why I'm showing you guys on this journey. And hopefully by the end of this, we're going to make money. But the main goal of this challenge is for you to start getting people to go and view your affiliate offer, because if you're not getting any traffic, there's no day that you are going to make any money. But if you're getting traffic, just know that sooner or later you're going to make money, and the more traffic you're going to be getting, then the sooner you are going to start making money with free traffic promoting affiliate offers online on Clickbank, etc. The main goal is getting traffic. That's why I show you guys on how to go and create those social media accounts, start posting consistently, so that by the end of it you can actually go and make some money. So you can see from here I've not made any sale yet, and this is the 17th day. So let's go to our reporting and let's see our stats on there. So click on this, you can see right here, this right here to February 1. You can see from here we have already gotten 4 clicks to our Clickbank accounts, and hopefully by the end of this today we're going to get, for example, 10 plus clicks, because right now our main goal is to get as much clicks as possible so that you can go and make your first money on Clickbank. As I've shown you guys, we are posting content on the 4 Pinterest accounts and the 2 Instagram accounts, and also on the 1 TikTok account. So I'm just going to be doing that consistently, so there's no need for me to show you guys the accounts because I show you guys already in the other video. So what I'm going to show you guys today is just going to be, for example, the TikTok account. So you can see from here, so let me just show you guys, for example, right here. If I go right here to the TikTok accounts, you can see from here, these are our TikTok accounts, and you can see from here I'm posting different styles of content. And what I'm going to show you guys today is that I'm just going to show you guys the analytics of what has been going on inside their TikTok accounts in the past few days that we created this particular account and posting content. As you can see from here, I'm posting different styles of content, and you can see some of them are getting views, some of them are not yet getting views, but I'm posting consistently every day. So the main goal when you're starting from scratch is consistency, because you're going to be posting a lot of content, you're not going to be getting views, you're not going to be getting clicks, and you're not going to be making any money. But if you're going to stay through it and you keep posting content every single day, you're going to start getting views, and you're going to start getting clicks, and your account is going to start growing, and that is when you can start making some money. So the main goal of this challenge is that you should not get discouraged when you are starting to try and make money on Clickbank or online using 100% free traffic. The main goal for you to go and start is to create social media accounts, post content, and drive traffic. So the main reason why you're not making money right now is because you don't have any traffic, and that's why I'm showing you guys how to go and create these social media accounts for free, starting from scratch, so you can hopefully go and make money from these different social media accounts right here and drive traffic to our affiliate offer. So you can see right on our accounts right here, this is our link. You can see I've input our link from here, and right now we still have only 57 followers, but you can see I'm posting content every single day, and that's the main goal. The main goal is posting consistently every single day. Once you're posting consistently every single day, you're going to get something that is going to go viral and it's going to get you a lot of clicks, and that is where you're going to make money. So today I'm just going to show you guys the stats in the last 30 days for this particular account. So let me just show you guys the stats right here. So let me just show you guys a screenshot from here. So if I go right here, let me show you guys right here. So let me wait for this. So you can see from here, this is our stats right here in the last 7 days of posting content consistently on this account. So once you go to the account, you're going to see some videos are getting 0 views, some of them are getting 1 view, but you're going to see that some of them are getting, for example, 400 views, 200 views, and that is all that matters. All you are going to do is post consistently, because there's a lot of content that is not going to go viral, but the one that is going to go viral is going to get you clicks, and you can go and get a lot of followers and actually make money from that. So you can see from here in that particular account in the last 7 days, you can see the views that we got is 5,700 views, and you can see right here we got 28 profile views. From here you can see 300 likes, 12 comments, and you can see from here we're not monetizing this account, and you can see we got right here 12 shares. So you can see right here the traffic goes up and down, and all you're going to do is post consistently, because once you get, for example, 2 or more videos going viral, that's where your account is going to explode. You're going to get a lot of traffic and you're going to make a lot of sales. So as I show you guys, the main goal is consistency, because if you're going to create social media accounts and keep growing it, for example, for 30 days, for 60 days, or for example in 3 months time, you're going to have, for example, a big Instagram account, and you're also going to start getting consistent clicks and making consistent sales using 100% free traffic and without spending any money. So that's, guys, you can see these are stats. So don't be discouraged. All you're going to do is that you're going to create a social media accounts and keep posting every single day, and you're going to get a break. So the main goal right here, if you're starting from scratch without any money, is consistency. So that's, guys, so I just want to show you guys what has been going on inside the account, and I'm going to be updating you guys on what has been happening on the accounts right here, and hopefully by the end of this 30 days right here, of the remaining days, we're going to make our first sale using this 100% free traffic and starting from scratch. So that's, guys, don't give up and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be posting a lot more challenges after this particular 30 days challenge right here, using paid traffic methods and also other different traffic methods. So be sure to subscribe so that you're going to be notified when I post those other different challenges as well, and also when I post updates on what has been happening inside this account right here. So that's guys, leave a like on this video and share, and I'm going to see you in the next video.